Hello everyone, this is your boy Jermaine Gaines again coming to you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fill out the templates that I'll be sharing with you all. A lot of people saying that they don't really understand how to fill out the templates, so I'll be showing you step by step on how to fill out the templates that I'll be sharing with you all throughout this process. Everything is done the same, so all you have to do is just really fill in your information and go from there. So the first thing, like I said, in this template, this inquiries template. So the first thing you want to do is you fill out your whole name, your address, and the bureau you'll be sending it to. And then, of course, you put in the date that you'll be sending it off and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Take out the re, you know what I'm saying? Take that part out, but also just put in social security 2114, whatever the last four of your social security is. And then down here in inquiries, list all inquiries that you feel like you want taken off your account. Be careful that you don't take inquiries off, whether it be a new credit card or something like that, because a lot of times when you try to take inquiries off, they'll shut down the credit cards because they were saying that you did not try to apply for the credit. So whatever inquiries you got denied for, whatever, just put all the information down here in parentheses, like the first one, capital one, and the date, October 12th, 2021. Just examples, but you just put all the inquiries down here, no matter how many it is, 3, 20, whatever it is, just put them down here and you can copy and paste until you put all inquiries down here. Just don't worry about none of the other information because that's a part of the template. And then at the bottom, you put your name, your full name, and your address. And like it said in parentheses, delete this off, printed or typed, not signed. So make sure you do not sign this part, and make sure anytime you sign off letters, you always include your ID, bill or something that's got the same address as your ID and your social security number. I always mail them 3 documents off, copies of those documents off when you fill out all letters. So with that being said, that's all. Like I said, I'll be coming up with more videos. Also, I'll be posting a video of my own credit because people are always asking me how my credit. So I don't mind really sharing people and showing people how my credit is because, like I said, my goal is to make an 800 score, and I will. So with that being said, if you like the content in this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification button to make sure that you don't miss no videos I'll be sharing in the upcoming weeks. All right, with that being said, God bless, take care, and I'll be talking to you soon.